Hey Lash Babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do this doll eye brown wispy set that has been trending all over the place right now. So I'm going to start off with my Wash Me Baby Lash Shampoo. It is a 150 milliliter bottle, and I also sell them on my website for retail purchase. So you guys know the deal. I have to start off by washing my clients' lashes, and I say this in every single video, and probably at this point it's very repetitive, but I feel like I have to say it anyways because some people just don't get it. But the main reason why you are probably struggling with retention is because you refuse to wash your clients' lashes. This is a must, no matter who it is. By taking the time to wash your clients' lashes, it's gonna make sure that you removed any oils or debris or leftover makeup or face cream or eye creams, whatever it is. That way, those extensions can bond to the natural lash a lot better, because if you think that by saving an extra 5 minutes to place more extensions is gonna save you in the long run because you'll be faster, but in reality you're doing yourself a disservice, because those extensions are not going to last, and then you're going to be wondering why your lashes are not lasting. So just give yourself those extra 5 minutes and make sure that you really get in there and fully wash and clean those lashes, because in reality 5 minutes more is probably only going to give you 5 extensions per eye at most. I would rather take those 5 minutes and make sure that all my extensions last, compared to taking those 5 minutes to place 5 more lashes, but then the whole set does not even last more than 3 days. So just keep that in mind, that if you do want the best retention, doing this at the beginning of the service is not only going to make you or your client feel like it is a high quality service, but it's also going to ensure that their set lasts exactly like you say, 2-3 weeks. So I'm going to start off with the xoxo's iPads and my sensitive tape. The xoxo's iPads, you could get them on Amazon, which I do have my Amazon storefront link down below, and the Yoyis sensitive tape, you can get them on my website. Again, if you guys are new here, I do have a membership program. Doesn't matter what skill level you are on, but my membership program, if you sign up for $19.99 every month, you get access to all my products for 50% off and free shipping if you're in the United States. And not only that, you also get access to my online courses and certification upon completion, and all my future content that's never before seen here on YouTube. So you get access to a lot of things. Not only that, you get free mentorship when you sign up to my Facebook group chat, where you get mentorship every single day, and that is free included in your program too. So you get so many benefits off of being my Yoyis Plus membership, especially if you are within the States. So for international, we're coming out with a membership for that one as well, because you know, shipping international is a little crazy right now, but we are coming out with the program very soon. So as you guys saw, I started off with my Yoyis Primetime Primer. So this step alone, I know a lot of people have a lot of opinions about it. It's not a must, but at least for me, I like to do it because I know that it helps with my retention. So for the styling, I know I mentioned that it was going to be a doll eye, but I think I ended up doing a natural set for this eye, because I ended up sectioning off the middle, right in the middle, more towards the outer corner, and this is going to be the longer sections. Then we're going to drop it back down right in the outer corner. So with the lengths that we're going to do 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 12 for the base. So that's going to be the shorter lengths. And then the top length numbers, those are what we're going to use for the spike. So we're going to do 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then we're going to drop it back down to 15. So the top lengths are my spikes, the bottom numbers are my filler lengths. So I'm going to be using my Obsessed glue. It is a 0.3 to 0.5 second glue. It's very, very fast. So if you are somebody that is not used to that kind of speed, I recommend for you guys to check out my Bestie glue. It's more for intermediate to beginner glue, and it's honestly the same. I love it. So the first spike is going to go right on that line where section 16 starts. So we're going to be focusing only on the spikes first. Once we place the spikes, we're going to end up going in with the filler, which will be the easiest part. So always place your spikes first, and where you place your first spike is going to determine how your overall set looks. So that's why I'm giving you guys a helping hand, placing that first spike right on the line and then counting 3-4 lashes over and then placing the next spike. This is going to be your guidance. So just follow this technique, place the first spike, and then from there it'll be easier to count lashes over and then place the next spike. I'm only placing spikes on the top layer. I want these spikes to be very, very noticeable. If you don't know what a spike is, they are volume lashes unfanned, and that's pretty much what I'm doing at this point. If you are somebody that has been struggling with spikes or wispy styling, I recommend for you guys to check out my signature styling wispy course. It is included in my membership if you guys do sign up. So again, the membership is $19.99. You could cancel anytime, but you do get access to my online courses. On that wispy course, you will be able to learn and master wispy styling and know exactly the terminology and how to go about each spike. So I do have that available for you guys. So I recommend for you guys to go check it out. So as you guys can see, I'm just going back and forth finding the next spike. Also, when you're doing wispy sets, you want to be working on both eyes at the same time. So if you place a spike here, you're going to go do the exact same thing on the other eye. And that's why mapping is so important. You never want to freehand, especially when it comes to wispy styling, because you want to make sure that you know exactly what length you are placing in that section and can do the exact same thing on the other eye. That's why I like to work on both eyes at the same time. So as you can tell, I'm just going back and forth, and just the way that I edit, because I'm only focusing on one eye, you can't really see that I'm working on both eyes at the same time. And also for the lashes that I'm using, because I know somebody's going to ask, and I know I did not include it in this video, and it's because they are my own collection coming out very soon. I've been testing them out for a while now, and I just can't wait for you guys to get your hands on them, just because I know brown lashes are very trendy right now. Everybody loves the brown lashes, especially if your client is like a redhead or somebody with like lighter hair. Brown lashes tend to pop out more, and they just make your client's eyes just so flattering, especially if they have colored eyes. So brown lashes are definitely trendy, and just being able to provide this kind of style with the brown lashes, wispy, you're gonna just take off. So learning this technique is gonna be a huge improvement in the services that you provide. So as you can tell, I'm just working my way towards the outer corner. This is my technique on knowing exactly where the next spike is going to be at. So just keep that in mind, is that when you start right in the center, you're going to work your way towards the outer corner, especially for like a natural or a doll eye style. So now we're getting into section 15, and again we're going to count a couple lashes over, then we're going to place a lash in section 15. And of course, you want to make sure that you are fully isolating. I know some lashes look like they're kind of getting in the way, but I promise you guys nothing was getting stuck, just because there's some lashes underneath that are kind of tilted to the side. But I promise you guys I'm fully isolating, nothing was getting stuck. And if something was, and I made sure that I went back and I removed it. So at this point, you guys could kind of see what it is that I'm doing. I'm just going back and forth. My brown lashes are coming out very soon, and they are in 0.07. So the lashes are a little bit thicker, which in reality, they will help be able to stand out a little bit more, especially when it comes to the spikes. They're a little bit thicker. So again, my lashes are coming out very soon. Also, my tweezers will be launching very, very soon. I'm just waiting for them to come in already any second now. And I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on my tweezers too. I am just obsessed with them. They are fiber tips, so that means that they have a wider grip area, and they're made with this new special technology that just makes them superior. And I haven't been able to use nothing since, because I love my tweezers so much. So I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this. So once I finish the outer corners, as you can see, now I'm going to start working in the inner corners. And at this point, it's kind of self-explanatory, and I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. So I'm going to add some music here for you guys so you guys can enjoy the rest of the process. Once I'm done with my spikes, I'm going to go in with fans. My fans, I did them about 5D. I didn't want to go too crazy with the fans because again, we are using a 0.07 and they are a little bit thicker. So at this point, we're going to put some music, let you guys enjoy the process, and I'll be right back when I'm ready to give you guys some more tips.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you are gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try and try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try so hard, tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try.
Okay, so as you guys pretty much saw, I'm just going back and forth creating fans, and the fans that I'm creating, I'm going in with a mixture of semi-wide fans and narrow fans, and that's why you guys can see that not all my fans look the same. And I think I don't know what I had in mind creating this look. I didn't want it to be so full to the point that it looked dense, but I also wanted it to make it look a little more lighter and flirty. So adding wider fans in certain areas and adding smaller fans almost looking like spikes will give it like this very hybrid look, making it seem like not too full. So at this point, we're pretty much done. We are going to go in with the Seal the Deal Super Bonder, and this is going to ensure that that glue is fully cured and they're able to walk out there and go to the gym, get their lashes wet, whatever it is that they want to do. And at this point, we are done. So if you found this video very helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe. That way you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and this is the end result.
Tell me what you do now.